educated on the merits of the Alice in Wonderland syndrome, where she tumbled down this rabbit hole and she went into La La Land. But their philosophical ideology is not so much solipsistic, because solipsistic is this somewhat an unfinished philosophy or a flawed philosophy, because it's a sort of selfish ideology where other minds don't exist. But when you take into account ideas like intersubjectivity phenomenology, where we're looking at minds as a collective group, or we're looking at collective consciousness, how do you as a solipsist invalidate that? This is one of the paradoxes of solipsism and intersubjectivity phenomenology, where if only one mind exists, how do you validate intersubjectivity, collective consciousness? Now, whether collective consciousness is objective or subjective is a whole different subject. This is one of the conundrum that bipolar cases are in during grandiosity, augmented ambition, where they believe they are God, they go into the solipsistic sort of phase, right? Then you have the existentialistic despair. Before we get into the existentialistic despair, there's three philosophical areas we need to explore quickly. One is nihilism. Nihilism postulates that the universe has no inherent or no intrinsic meaning, and trying to construct any meaning or value is pretty much useless or absurdism.